Welcome to the Organized Living Manufacturing and Distribution Facility located in Bloomington, Indiana.
Our 680,000 square foot facility is the heart of our product manufacturing and has been the home of Organized Living for the past 25 years.
With our extensive manufacturing experience and process refinement, we're able to efficiently manufacture and distribute over 2,000 product SKUs with the quality control expected of the Organized Living brand. The start of the manufacturing process begins with raw material receiving and processing. For both our laminate and steel products, the sourcing and receiving teams focus on the highest quality raw materials to ensure a seamless transition of raw materials to finished goods during the manufacturing process. Once raw materials are received and inspected for quality control, the manufacturing process begins. For our steel products, Organized Living's custom-designed and built wire manufacturing lines take multiple gauges of steel wire and begin welding, cutting, and shaping ShelfTech, Lifetime, and Freedom Rail ventilated shelving. Once this process is complete, the ventilated wire shelves move to our coating department where an eco-friendly epoxy coating is applied and heat-treated, resulting in the finished product, which is then ready to be packaged for distribution. Organized Living's laminate manufacturing begins with processing and cutting of raw laminate board to produce shelves, panels, cleats, O-boxes, and a variety of other items for our Freedom Rail Select and Classica product lines. Since all of our storage and organization systems are production-oriented, finishing processes such as edge banding, cam installation, pre-drilled holes, and more are completed during the manufacturing process, which means less time in the field during installation. Once products are finished, they are then packaged and moved to the distribution department. All finished goods are stored in our distribution department prior to shipment. This large space allows us to store and categorize items for easy product picking and packaging. This also enables us to ship most orders within 3 business days to ensure timely delivery of products. Organized Living is dedicated to serving our customers with high-quality products, industry-leading technology, and unmatched support. Thanks for visiting our state-of-the-art manufacturing and distribution facility in Bloomington, Indiana.